If you've ever struggled to line things up perfectly in Canva, stay with me, because today I'm showing you the easiest and most updated way to create columns in 2025. Whether you're working on a flyer, a poster, or an infographic, clean columns instantly make your design look more organized and professional, and Canva has a shortcut that most people don't even know exists. Go ahead and open up your Canva workspace. Once you're on your design page, tap the / key on your keyboard. That single press opens Canva's command search tool, kind of like a quick access menu for hidden features. In the search bar that pops up, type the word table now. You might not think table when you're just trying to build columns, but tables are actually the perfect structure for custom layouts. They let you divide content into neat, editable sections without manually aligning boxes. From the options that appear, choose the one labeled To Column. The moment you click it, a basic 2-column grid drops right into your canvas. It's simple, clean, and a great starting point for almost any layout. Side-by-side text, image comparisons, headers and body content, you name it. Now customize it. Click and drag the dividers to adjust the width of each column so it fits your design. You're not stuck with equal sizing. If one side needs more room for text or a bigger photo, just stretch it out. Next, think about style. Canva lets you tweak the spacing, background color, and even individual cell settings. You can remove borders for a cleaner look, add padding for breathing room, or use color blocks to match your brand. These small changes make a huge difference in how polished your columns look. And that's really it. With just the / shortcut, the table command, and a quick click on the 2-column option, you've got a flexible layout that you can edit any way you like. It's fast, it's updated for 2025, and once you use it, you'll never go back to dragging random text boxes around. If this helped you level up your Canva workflow, stick around for more up-to-date design tips and quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.